Hello everyone, how are you all? In today's video, I will tell you how to use the Portsip soft phone application and how to call your country using the Portsip application. If you live in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Oman, Qatar, Indonesia, Kuwait, Bahrain, Iraq, Germany, America, or any other country in the world, then how will you call your country India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal? And you can call by setting your desired number, that is, you can set the caller ID. So watch the entire video to know how to set the caller ID and how to make a call. If someone needs the username, password, and SIP domain link of the Portsip application, then how to get it? You can see my number on the screen. Send a WhatsApp message on it. You will get the ID in this way at a low price. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to install the Portsip application. After that, open the Portsip application. Then here you will get the option to enter the username, password, and SIP domain. So let me enter my username, password. After that, you have to click on the login option. After that, your account will be created. If you want to call Pakistan in this way, then you have to enter *2. After that, enter the number. You can call any number on this way. You can call any country. If any brother needs the ID, then contact us on WhatsApp. Inshallah, we will try to get you the ID at a low price.